Did she though?
No, but she didn't quit eating. Once she knew she was out of it, then she was, time to go to work,